We first up start with the latest we are tracking from Rajasthan, and now Sachin Pilot arriving for the dharna. Remember, he's on an unshan, and the fast begins. Sachin Pilot now arriving for the dharna is the latest coming in. Remember, the Congress has termed this an anti-party activity, and Sachin Pilot currently on a protest. Remember, this is Sachin Pilot pressing for action on corruption cases against previous Vasundhara Raje-led BJP government in Rajasthan, but that demand being put across to Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. And Bhavar also continues to stay on with us as we keep up with these live details. Bhavar, tell us more.
सचिन पायलट ने की थी, उसके बाद से ही आपने देखा होगा कि किस तरीके से प्रतिक्रिया आने लगी, और उन्हीं प्रतिक्रियाओं के तहत जो तस्वीरें बन रही हैं वो तस्वीरें आज की बहुत ही राजनीतिक और राजनीतिक हलचलों को गर्म करने वाली तस्वीरें मैं आपको बता रहा हूं कि जिस तरीके से सचिन पायलट निकले, चुप्पी रही, हमने बात करने की कोशिश की लेकिन उन्होंने कुछ नहीं बोला। मतलब साफ है कि बिना कुछ कहे उन्होंने कहा था कि मैंने बहुत कुछ बोला था, 2 चिट्ठियां भी लिखी थी लेकिन जवाब नहीं मिला, और अब आज वो बोल नहीं रहे हैं। आप देखिए कि अनशन जब समाप्त होगा उसके बाद ही शायद सचिन पायलट कुछ बोलेंगे, जिसका इशारा हमने पहले भी किया था, हालांकि संशय था।
जी भंवर, बताते रहिए हमें क्या चल रहा है। तस्वीरों के साथ बने हुए हैं हम। अनशन डिक्लेयर कर दिया है सचिन पायलट ने। Nyamika is also live with us from the spot. He's reached Shaheed Smarak. Nyamika, this is a big protest being staged by Sachin Pilot. He's on a day-long fast. What can you tell us about the demands being put out by Sachin Pilot, and any reaction so far that's come in from the Ashok Gehlot camp?
Well, very soon Sachin Pilot is going to arrive here at the Shaheed Smarak. You can see that there is an excitement amongst the supporters of Sachin Pilot who have already been here waiting for their leader, as Sachin Pilot is going to hold a one-day fast at Shaheed for his demand that the Congress government in Rajasthan, the Ashok Gehlot government, must act upon the promises which were being made to the people of Rajasthan during the time when there was assembly elections regarding the corruption matters which were being done by the previous regime, and that is the reason why today Sachin Pilot is going to hold an unshan. You can see that a big poster is being placed here which is stating Vasundhara Sarkar mein hue bhrashtachar ke viruddh unshan. You can see that a sitting arrangement has also been made available, and also a picture, a portrait of Mahatma Gandhi is also being placed there. There are a lot of supporters who have come just for Sachin Pilot because they are saying that the demand which is being raised by Sachin Pilot is absolutely correct. Congress government must act upon this entire matter because it was a promise of the Congress that they will probe, they will investigate all these corruption cases which are being done by the previous regime of Vasundhara Raje. So for that matter today Sachin Pilot is going to hold this dharna. But on the other hand, if we talk about the Congress party, this doesn't go well with the Congress leadership because we are witnessing that how the Congress leadership has reacted over this matter. The message which the Congress leadership is trying to give is loud and clear that they are in support of Ashok Gehlot government. They are backing Ashok Gehlot government because the statement which was being released by Jairam Ramesh as well as the statement of Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, who is the Rajasthan Congress in charge, that clearly depicts that the Congress party is backing Ashok Gehlot government because Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa has said that there was no need to hold this unshan as this is an anti-party activity, and if there was certain demands of Sachin Pilot, he should have said it to the party forum. So for that matter, we can see that how the Congress party is coming in support of Ashok Gehlot government, and it is also being informed by our sources that even the visit of Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa has been cancelled, and he is not coming to Jaipur as Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa was being scheduled to hold a meeting with the Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. He was supposed to come to Jaipur on the day when Sachin Pilot was going to sit on a dharna, but that visit has got cancelled. So this is the place, this is the Shaheed Sthal where the people have come in support of Sachin Pilot. Very soon Sachin Pilot is going to arrive here, and even the announcement has also witness that how Sachin Pilot is going to come here. The announcement is being made that Sachin Pilot is here at Shaheed Sthal. I would like to ask my camera person to show you the visuals as Sachin Pilot is going to come here anytime soon. He is already being here. His cable car has already been reached here, and he is soon going to hold a dharna, an unshan, for which he is demanding that there should be a probe on the corruption cases. You can see that people are waiting here for their leader, Sachin Pilot. They are waiting, they are raising slogans in support of Sachin Pilot, and anytime soon Sachin Pilot is going to... You can see that Sachin Pilot has come here. Sachin Pilot is here at the Shaheed Sthal, and he is going to hold this dharna. Sachin Pilot is going to hold a one-day fast to demand that there should be a probe. You can see the visuals as well. Sachin Pilot is here. People are raising slogans in support of Sachin Pilot. They are saying that they have come here from different states just to support the demand of Sachin Pilot. And Sachin Pilot has arrived at Shaheed Sthal. You can see the visuals. You can see the excitement amongst the people. You can see how they are reacting and welcoming the leader Sachin Pilot, who is going to hold a protest, who is going to hold a dharna at Shaheed Sthal, Raipur. You can see the excitement amongst the people. They are raising slogans for Sachin Pilot, and they are welcoming Sachin Pilot, who is going to hold Sachin Pilot support his demand, and that is the reason why people have come from different states just to support Sachin Pilot, as he is going to sit on a one-day long unshan here at Shaheed Sthal.
All right, lot of action unfolding from where Niyamika is reporting. Niyamika, keep up with those visuals. Keep talking to us like you're telling us. The likes of Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa telling Sachin Pilot as to raise these issues at party platforms instead of going public again against his own government. Sachin Pilot's day-long fast against the party's interest is what has been said by certain Congress leaders. But we do see a lot of support, Niyamika, come in for Sachin Pilot. Are these also some of the MLAs, or are we just looking at Congress workers?
These are the Congress workers who have come in support of Sachin Pilot. MLAs are not being invited here to support Sachin Pilot for their unshan, but you can see that there is a large gathering of the workers of the Congress party who are the supporters of Sachin Pilot. And Sachin Pilot, you can see that he has arrived at the stage, and he is meeting the people there. He is going to hold a one-day fast, and you can see the excitement as the people are welcoming Sachin Pilot. They are raising slogans for Sachin Pilot. They are saying that it is a demand of Sachin Pilot that the government of Rajasthan must act upon the cases of corruption which was being done by the previous regime, and that is a genuine demand which Sachin Pilot is making. There is nothing wrong as how the Congress party is reacting over this entire matter. That is absolutely incorrect way, because Sachin Pilot is raising the matter of corruption which was being done by Vasundhara Raje government, and for that matter today Sachin Pilot is going to hold a one-day long fast.
Okay, many now seeing this as Sachin Pilot giving an open challenge to the party high command. Many, especially in the opposition in Rajasthan, say his day-long fast will prove to be the last nail in the coffin of the Congress government. This is, remember, happening very close to elections slated in the state of Rajasthan, and the reaction so far from the Gehlot camp is something that's going to be watched out for, Niyamika, especially given how this is being seen as yet another instance of how there is divide within the Congress in Rajasthan, isn't it? One can't deny it, even though Sachin Pilot may have asked the MLAs to stay away from this dharna, and it's only his supporters and Congress workers currently standing in solidarity with Sachin Pilot. This does reek of the internal divide within the Congress in the state.
Well, the internal divide within the Congress party is being seen very clearly here, because the manner in which the Congress has reacted, the manner in which Sachin Pilot is being firm on his demand. You can be clearly seen that how the internal conflict within the Rajasthan Congress is getting widened as many times even the in charge of the Rajasthan Congress, Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, tried to approach Sachin Pilot to speak to him and so that Sachin Pilot can call off this protest which is being held here at the Shaheed Smarak, but Sachin Pilot was quite firm on his statement, and he had also mentioned, as per our sources it is being informed, that he has also mentioned that he is willing to speak only to Rahul Gandhi or Mallikarjun Kharge, and for that matter he mentioned that he just wants that there should be a proper investigation that should take place on the corruption cases which was being done at the time. Sundara Raje government. So for that matter, you can see that Sachin Pilot is sitting on a dharna. He is holding a one-day fast as he is demanding that Ashok Gehlot government must act upon these promise which was being made by the Congress party during the last assembly elections.